we have a Microsoft Forms page with the Copilot license on the left. On the other form, we have another Microsoft Forms without a Copilot license. As you can see, both of them look very similar, but there's a big difference. We're gonna start using the Copilot options to create a form that includes all the 50 states. I pasted the questions here and I click generate, and it's using generative AI to create the answers. Okay, still loading. As you can see, this can save a lot of time because you don't have to type the states one by one or even copy and paste. That in itself will take time, but if you can just say it and a generative AI will create the forms for you, that definitely can save time. As you can see, we have all the states here, and then we can go ahead and modify the form. Let's say you wanted to have some options here. You can have multiple answers, right? So you could say, okay, you're able to select 3 states instead of 1 state, and you can do that. So at most 3 states. So after 3 states, you can no longer select any state. And now we're gonna go to the other side and see what it would take to create the same form without Copilot. Without Copilot, you'll have to write each question one by one, and of course that would take much longer. I created a much longer Microsoft Forms video. Please click here to watch it.